3, 2, 1, start. November 1986. Ladies and gentlemen, during the last few weeks, I have traveled abroad and visited several countries of the world. This was a voyage of discovery. Wherever I went, I was received with affection by governments and peoples. This was truly a welcome to the people of India, whom I represent. My visits began with a trip to the Soviet Union. In many ways, I think that this was a memorable visit. The Soviet government and the people have great friendship for the people of India, and they have stood by us all along, even in periods of stress and strain. They are anxious to be of increasing help in our economic development. This has been a very useful visit indeed, Para. Later, I was able to visit Canada and also attend the Commonwealth Prime Minister's Conference in London. In all these countries, there is plenty of goodwill for India. They are all our friends, and our mutual relations are bound to get strengthened further. I need not talk to you in detail about the very close and friendly relations that exist between the United Kingdom and India. Canada is another country which has been friendly to India and particularly helpful in the efforts that we are making for our economic development and in the field of atomic energy. The reception given to me by the people of Canada was really very warm, Para. I would like to say in this connection that the Commonwealth Prime Minister's Conference was indeed a valuable experience. Heads of governments of so many countries belonging to different continents had gathered together to discuss vital political and economic issues which were of common interest to all. Our deliberations and the conclusions we reached are bound to have an impact on current world events, Para. Wherever I went, I found that the Indian people are held in high respect as people who are wise and mature and whose love for peace is a matter not of expediency but of principle. Our self-restraint has been appreciated and we are regarded as a people who can be trusted and relied upon to pursue a rational course of action. The image of India is that of a large and stable democracy in an area which is of great importance to the peace of the world, Para. Though the countries that I visited have different systems of economy and political ideology, I was impressed most by their sincere wish and great desire for peace in the world. The Soviet Union in particular has gone through many of the effects of war in its own country, in which a number of valuable lives were lost. Therefore, the people are naturally anxious that there should be no war again. In all countries I have visited, there was appreciation of the peaceful policies which India has pursued ever since the attainment of independence. I explained to the leaders of governments that India was committed to the path of peace but not at the cost of our independence. Para. Later from the manager, Modern Electricals Private Limited, Madras, to the sales manager, National Traders, Bombay. Para. Dear Sir, please refer to our order dated 2nd March 1985 for the supply of 20 table fans. We regret to inform you that we have not so far heard from you in the matter. These goods are most urgently required. You had promised the delivery of these goods within a week. We are very sorry to tell you that we have been put to much inconvenience because of this long delay. We shall be obliged if you can kindly let us know as to when we can expect delivery of goods. Para. If these fans are not supplied before the end of this month, we may have to cancel the order. We would request you to send us a telegram in the matter immediately. We regret to inform you that this is not the first time that we have had to complain of delay in deliveries of goods ordered. As these goods were wanted as soon as possible, we had insisted on their prompt delivery when giving our orders. Para. Looking forward to hearing from you as early as possible. Yours faithfully.